Alright, so now we're going to start inside of the Canva homepage. Okay, so in this tutorial, I will be using a presentation which is the blank one. Okay, so I'm going to create a blank template. By the way, even though you are using a free account, it doesn't matter, okay? Free account, pro account, you can still use the application if you want to embed or if you want to link a video to your presentation. So it doesn't matter if you don't have a pro account, you can still use your free account to embed and link your video. Okay, so now I have here a blank template. So first, there are two ways that you can embed your video inside this template. Okay, the first way that I'm gonna share with you guys is here. From here on the left side, you can find the application here. You see the application, click that apps, all the apps, and then you're gonna scroll down. But if you cannot find it, you can always click this assign one. Okay, so I'm going to use the YouTube. Okay, this one. Okay, so if you don't have a YouTube channel, wherever you have a video inside your website or other video platforms, you can always get their URL and paste into this bar. Since I'm going to use my YouTube channel as an example, I'm going to go to my YouTube channel and I'm going to get the link for this video, which is here, and then what you're gonna do is to copy the link address, and then I'm going back to Canva, and here on the search bar we're going to paste the URL. Okay, let's just give it a second, and then there you go. So this is the URL that I pasted here. Just gonna click that one, and now here is the video that I got from YouTube. All you're gonna do is just to click this one, and then it will pop up here inside the template. You can move your video wherever you want. You can put your video wherever you want. You can make it bigger. You can make it smaller if you want to, and then you can just put it here, or you can put into an elements if you want to. Okay, like for example, let's go to the elements here, and then let's type, okay, there you go. So there are graphics here that you can use for your video. Maybe I can, okay, hold on, maybe let's see this one. So I can put my video inside of this. I'm gonna put this at the back, or send it backward. There you go. So I'm going to resize my video so that it will fit into this computer. There you go. You can do that too also, guys, to make a little bit, you know, professional. I'm gonna group this one so that it won't move. Okay, so I can move it anywhere I want, so you have to group it. Alright, so now we're going to create a link. Even though we embed it here and we grab it here, but we need to create a link for this video so that when you download it, you can watch the video. Okay, to do that, we're going to the elements again, and let's get some frames so we can put our text. This frame, and I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger like this, and then I'm going to drag this frame somewhere here, up here, or maybe I can put this down a little bit and drag this frame. If this is too big, well, you can always resize this to the size that you want. Okay, you can change the color if you want to, so let's say yellow. You can also put some backgrounds here if you want to. There you go. So you can play around with this, guys. Whatever color that you want, you can always create a background. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna choose this one, and then I'm gonna make this a yellow, and then after that we're going to create a text. So over here on your left side, create the text and add the heading, and then we're going to type click here. Okay, click here. Okay, I'm going to drag this text here inside the frame. I'm going to change the color to black. There you go. So they can click here, and then it will embed, but not yet. Okay, so now once we finish putting the text, we're gonna click the text, and then you're gonna click these three dots here. Okay, and then find the link. Click the link, go back to your video, get the link again, then go back to Canva and paste the link over here. Click enter, and now done. You see that now there's a link. If you are inside the Canva, if you click this one, it will play. If you click this one, it will play. Okay, let's go to the present so we can check if this too is working. All right, so I'm going to the present, and when I click this one,
even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go.
it plays, right? If I click this one, the click here, the one that we embed,
even when you feel low, you can still go.
it plays the same thing. All right, so here is when you were inside Canva, this will work. But once you download this one, and if you do not make the call to action like what I did here, I create a frame, I created a text for call to action for them to click this one, not this one, because if you didn't make a text or call to action, even though you download it, you embedded this video inside the Canva and you download it on a PDF file, not MP4, it will not play. So that's why we need to create a call to action text for this video. So I'm going to download this one, and let's see guys how it works. Click to download, and the suggested format is PDF files. Okay, so here on the side, you can put your logo, you can make a design for your template, so it makes more professional. But for the sake of this tutorial, I just want to make it simple. Okay, so let's go ahead and download it. Alright, so now it's downloaded already. What we're gonna do is I'm going to save this to my desktop, and let's open it. Okay, so now here is the PDF that we download. If you click the video itself, it won't play, right? This will play if you are still inside the Canva, but what I told you, once you download it, it won't play unless you create a call to action, which is click here. Okay, so now if I click this one here,
even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow,
you see guys, now it works. So make sure that you create a call to action for this video. All right, so that's the one way or one method that you can embed your video into Canva. And once you download it, if you have a call to action, then you can watch the video. Okay, so the next method that I'm going to teach you guys how you can embed your video if they click outside of the text is you're going to create another frame so that it will embed the video at the same time. So they click it here in the frame, they click it here in the inside of the text, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm gonna create a new page. Now this time I'm going back to my channel and I'm going to get the link of this one, copy the link, go to your templates and just paste it here. Okay, so you don't need to open this one, you can just directly paste it to here. So, and then like I've told you, you can move this one wherever you want. Okay, you can also put the template that you want. Oh, sorry, the elements. Where is the elements? There you go. You can put this one if you want to put the video inside of this computer. Okay, there you go. All right. So I'm gonna group this one so that I can move it whenever I want. So now you can now move this inside of your template. Alright, so now what we're gonna do here is we're going to create another frame over here. Let's change the background. Okay, so we're going to the elements. Let's make it in the middle. Okay, let's go to the elements and let's get this frame again. So I'm just gonna make this a little bit curved, and then I will drag this one here at the bottom, and then I'm gonna change the color, and then we're going to put a text. Okay, click the text, get the heading, and say watch. Let's say watch the video. Okay, and then I'm going to drag this one over here. Okay, I'll change the color and make it white, and let's make this a little bit bigger. We're going to create a link for this video. Alright, first you're gonna click this one, click these three dots, click the link, go back to your video, copy the link, go back to this presentation and click these three dots, link, and insert the link that you copied. Click enter. So now here is the link. It's already embedded into the text. But what if somebody click not inside the text, they click it inside of this frame? The video will not gonna play. So what we're gonna do, we're going to the elements again. We're gonna get the same frame that we used, this one. Okay, we're gonna get this one. We're gonna change the color to red, and then we're going to put this one over here. This just make sure that it is same size. Okay, so now we have this another frame, right? So what we're gonna do here, you're gonna click this one or click these three dots, click the link, and paste the link of the video, this video that you get into your YouTube channel. Okay, click enter, and now it's already linked into the frame. Okay, so what we're gonna do with this frame is we're going to put the frame into the front. Okay, just bring it forward. So now the frame is in the front, so you cannot see the text, right? So what we're gonna do, go up here on your right and click this transparency and set the transparency to 1. Click enter. So now you will see the video. So now we're going to download this one and let's see how it works. Okay, click the share, click the download, and I'm not going to download all of this. I'm just going to download the second one that we made, this one. Okay, done, and then download. Alright, so let's open this one. There you go. So now if you click this one, this will not gonna play because we'll already take this out inside of Canva presentation. But if you click this text, it will play inside of the text. Okay, okay, so let's go back again and let's see if we click outside of the text. Let's see if this will work. Some people, they just click it here, they click it, and now you see, even though they click it here, not inside of the text, the video is still going to play because we create another frame and we embed the link here, we embed the URL, so it doesn't matter whenever they click it. Sometimes people don't click inside of the text, they just click it outside of the text. That's why it didn't play. But since we make another frame for this, even though they click it here, the video is still going to play. Hi, what's up guys, it's me again. That is the two methods or the two way on how you can embed your video into Canva. Okay, this is the first one that we did. We only embed inside of the text, and on the second video we embed inside the text, and at the same time we embed inside of the frame. And once you finish with that, you're going to download it into PDF standard. Okay, so that's how you can embed your URL into your videos inside Canva. But if you want to use that video or share it to other people, then you have to download it into PDF so it will work. Okay, you cannot just embed the video without call to action. So make sure that you create a call to action, create a frame, create a text. So what you want to do, watch this, click here, okay, like this one. I make different video, watch the video. So you can always embed it, but make sure that you create a call to action. So thank you so much guys for watching, and thank you for all the support. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a video.